Good morning. It is May 13th, 2019, Monday morning. So let's see what's going on with the greater Las Vegas real estate market here. Alright, so today, the lowest price is a condo, 922 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, built in 81. There's palms out in front. Clean little unit. No dishwasher. Oh, look at that. Oh, where the dishwasher is supposed to go. Interesting. Mica. Clean. Old. Clean. Excuse me. Let's see. Where is Jericho? DI and Decatur. Okay. There we go. Alright. So, highest price today, $587,840. Good curb appeal. Nice pool. Few upgrades. Okay. And Elks Lake Drive, where is that? Alton Town Center. Oh, nice area over there. Okay, then yesterday we had condo over here, townhome over here on Las Vegas Boulevard, 77.5, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, built in 66. Okay. No 1-story dudes. That's what it used to be many years ago. Nice picture. Wash your clothes. Cook your food. Hi, Randy. Okay, so let's finish here. I got interrupted there on a phone call. So let's go here. Next page. Okay, so here we are. Yesterday, highest price was a single family dwelling, 3677 square feet, 5 bedroom, 4 bath, 3 car garage, and a spa. Nice grown area. That's a nice spa. I like that. Pretty cool. Little waterfall. Nice house. Okay. Right there in Coventry. Interesting. 960,000. Wow. Okay. So let's do this. 11, 12, 421 under contract. And what has sold? condo here, 1141 square feet. Flamingo Heights. Nice and clean. Little shot of the strip right there. A little bit upgraded, not too bad. 190,000. Where is Crete? Flamingo and Decatur. That's all that's been reported today. So yesterday, actually there was one reported yesterday too. Schaefer Hills. Okay. Sun City Anthem. Nicely upgraded. A little bit of leased. Wide appliances. This shows well. You like yellow. And it is right here. Top of Sun City Anthem there. Okay. Alright. And then we have Saturday's closing on River Heights here. Yeah, we saw these on Saturday. Okay. So that's that. Let's take a look at the properties that have gone under contract. They have pools. It's pool season. Single family. Private pool. These are the ones that have gone into escrow in the last couple of days. Oh, only 14. Wow. Just haven't been reported, probably. $3 days on the market for these. Oh, look at the price point though. That one's out of the area. This one is just a little teeny house.
Signing upstairs.
Oh, okay.
You had that disappointed look.
Disappointed look of
Yeah,
what?
the look of, oh God, I don't get to my alone time.
So this is all that has been reported, but it's just the weekend. So we will look. That's it. So I wonder what it sold in the last couple of days. 0. Wow. That is interesting. Bunch of them were reported on Monday, or on Friday, 41. $2,700 square feet, 512,000, 180 a square foot. Okay. Alright, well, I think that is it for now. There is one last thing that might be interesting. What the market's doing. Here's what the market is doing right now. Active listings. Tapered off a little bit. End of April, 11,593. Tapered off a little bit, 5806. And we have 3.4 months. little bit more sales. So the market's heating up, but the inventory is dropping off a little bit. A little drop, of course. We're 15 days into, or 13 days into May. So anyway, I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.